Are you suddenly making 3 meals a day plus snacks for your stay-at-home family?
As Consumer Reports explains, now is the perfect time to limit your trips to the grocery store by using the healthy foods you may not even realize you already have in your pantry.
Being cooped up at home makes it tempting to cozy up to some not-so-good-for-you comfort food. But perhaps now, more than ever, it's important to stick to a healthy diet.
The food you choose to eat right now can support your immune system and boost your energy levels. So making nutritious choices is really important.
Health officials advise that we stay home as much as possible, and that includes minimizing trips to the grocery store. Before you go out shopping, check the cabinets and freezer. You may have plenty of food to work with already.
You can make whole meals that are pretty tasty from the things that you have in your pantry, like canned beans or canned fish, grains, pasta, and then you can supplement with fresh food that you've got in your freezer.
For instance, oatmeal makes a healthy breakfast, but add some peanut butter and cinnamon, then top it with thawed frozen berries and a little honey, and you've got a protein-packed bowl of delicious, all from your pantry. And for lunch or dinner, now is the perfect time to try your hand at a homemade soup. Sauteed onion and garlic are a flavorful start to any soup. Add several cups of your favorite veggie, frozen if you don't have fresh, followed by 4 cups of low-sodium chicken broth, and you have a very basic soup. Use your pantry to jazz it up with a can of beans, a handful of dried pasta, and your favorite spices, and soups are a great way to use up leftovers. And when you go to restock your pantry, pick up some other long-lasting staples to enhance your meals. Cottage cheese and ricotta can last 1 to 2 weeks in your fridge, and sturdy produce like apples, winter squash, carrots, and cabbage will last up to 2 weeks if kept in a cool, dry place. So do yourself a favor, peek inside your pantry and look inside the box. Doing my Mr. Food impression.
I was just going to say, well, you are actually a very, very good cook. Consumer Reports reminds us that if you use canned foods from your pantry, sometimes they can be very high in sodium. So you want to pair them with unprocessed foods when possible, like frozen fruits or veggies.
And Consumer Reports shared some easy, healthy recipes for meals from your pantry, and you can find them on our website, Channel 3000.
I like the soup idea.
Yeah,
that's a great idea.
Good idea. So